I see a bird. I see a bird. She likes milk. She likes milk. He has a pencil. He has a pencil. We eat rice. We eat rice. They read books. They read books. The cat is black. The cat is black. The dog runs fast. The dog runs fast. It is raining. It is raining. I feel happy. I feel happy. She is busy. She is busy. He is tall. He is tall. We are ready. We are ready. They are late. They are late. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. The moon is bright. The moon is bright. I like music. I like music. She loves flowers. She loves flowers. He plays football. He plays football. We study English. We study English. They go to school. They go to school. The water is cold. The water is cold. The tea is hot. The tea is hot. The apple is red. The apple is red. The car is new. The car is new. I am tired. I am tired. She is kind. She is kind. He is smart. He is smart. We are strong. We are strong. They are friends. They are friends. The baby is cute. The baby is cute. I can swim. I can swim. He can drive. He can drive. We can help. We can help. They can play. They can play. The sky is clear. The sky is clear. The stars shine. The stars shine. The wind blows. The wind blows. The river flows. The river flows. I eat bread. I eat bread. She drinks juice. She drinks juice. He cooks food. He cooks food. We watch TV. We watch TV. The bird sings. The bird sings. The fish swims. The fish swims. The boy laughs. The boy laughs. The girl smiles. The girl smiles. I write a letter. I write a letter. She draws a picture. She draws a picture. He reads a story. He reads a story. We clean the room. We clean the room. They wash clothes. They wash clothes. The cat sleeps. The cat sleeps. The dog barks. The dog barks. It looks nice. It looks nice. I need help. I need help. She opens the door. She opens the door. He closes the window. He closes the window. We sit down. We sit down. The car stops. The car stops. The bus moves. The bus moves. The clock ticks. The clock ticks. The baby cries. The baby cries. The mother smiles. The mother smiles. The teacher speaks. The teacher speaks.